Come on. I need my caffeine.
Hey, I'm next in line, so I'll order your drink for you. My treat.
Thanks. I'll take whatever has the most caffeine.
You got it. Why don't you grab us a table?
Sweet.
Mind if we chat for a bit? I did just get your coffee.
Oh, sure. Wouldn't want to miss out on anything new. So what did you want to talk about?
I want to talk about you.
What?
It's been what, 3-4 days now? It's only gonna get worse from here. The shaking, the blurry vision. Pretty soon you'll feel like you could be knocked over by a strong breeze. That is, if you don't feel that way already.
What are you talking about? Who are you? How do you know me?
Isn't it obvious? I'm the Sultan of Slumber, the Duke of Dreams, the Tsar of Sleep.
Thanks for the coffee, but I don't know who or what you are, and I think you might be a little crazy.
Do I really have to spell it out for you? I'm the Sandman, and I'm here as a courtesy to ask you to go and get some sleep.
Okay, sure, yeah. I'm the Sandman, okay. But I have enough caffeine in my system to last me like 5 or 6 hours. The Sandman. But you got me an espresso? If you are, then you must be really bad at your job.
Who said I got you espresso? You got decaf, baby. I'm surprised you haven't noticed already.
Oh, God.
Aren't you feeling a bit sluggish? Go gently into that good night. I'm the Sandman after all. You'll wake up feeling more rested in your bed tomorrow. Well, I guess if I'm gonna have to do my job, I might as well try to have fun with it.
And it's like he's been following me ever since.
Uh-huh.
I saw him at the grocery store, gas station, comic book store, and, you know, come to think of it, I haven't seen him at all today.
That's kind of crazy. Are you sure you're okay? No offense, but you look terrible. And I do think you should go to bed and sleep. And if you do, maybe he'll leave you alone finally. So do it.
No, I can't do that. Then I might miss out on something cool or crazy.
What kind of cool and crazy thing are you missing out on, really?
How are we doing?
Oh, we're doing good.
We're doing fine. We just... Oh, God damn it!
Wait, what?
Sounds like she cares more about you than you care about yourself, if you ask me.
What do you want from me?
Dude, are you serious? Go to bed. Get some rest. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to start chasing you.
You can't just do that.
Of course I can. I'm a force of nature, baby. You need sleep as much as you need air and water. So do us both a favor and get some rest. Well, I guess I have my answer then.
Matt!
You look a little tired. You alright?
Don't worry about it, please.
Alright, man. That's cool. That's great. All that matters is that you're finally here for once. Hey guys! Max, he's here!
Don't sleep, don't drink, don't eat like we do. I'll leave you be if you leave me be too. But I can't see you when you need to. Get in trouble, you just wanna get in trouble. Do the hustle, everybody do the hustle. Get in trouble, you just love to get in trouble. Do the hustle, everybody do the hustle.
Come on. We gotta have some somewhere. Yes! Coffee.
Hey, buddy. It's not a party, so you've had a drink.
No thanks. It'll just make me sleepy.
Come on, it'll take the edge off. And I think you could really use a nightcap.
No. It can't be you again.
Give it a rest already. Literally.
Why would you just leave me alone?
Because you're destroying yourself. This is no way to live.
You don't understand. You don't understand at all. You don't understand.
You mortals are all the same. You don't understand what you're doing to yourself.
Open, damn it!
Let me get that for you.
Oh my god. Leave me alone! We spent a third of our lives sleeping. That's 26 years of doing nothing but just laying there. I'm tired of missing out. I'm tired of sleeping in. I'm tired of everyone
You're just tired. You mortals are all the same. You do this to yourselves, and then you want to hold your breath and throw a temper tantrum until you get your way. Well, guess what? If you don't breathe, you die. And if you don't sleep, you die. You won't even make it to 26 if you keep doing this to yourself. You want to know the real reason you've been missing out on everything? Just put the phone down and go to bed. Please. Before you look back and realize you spent all your time watching people live instead of actually living.
Okay. I'll go.
Thank you. This is for your own good.
Can't use it all, plus it's deceiving too. Buy some time, all you really want is some time at hand. You're